Are you frustrated? Feel like you're down on your luck when it comes to making money online? Well, listen, the truth is, making money online isn't as hard as it's made out to be. Sadly, most overcomplicate things with nonsense like autoresponders, hosting, chatbots, funnels, and the list goes on and on. Ugh, what a headache. It doesn't have to be this complicated. All you need are two things: traffic or website visitors plus something to sell. That's it. Combine those two things together and you've got yourself a rock-solid strategy for making money online. This is the same formula that's made me millions of dollars online. You're likely struggling with the traffic part, right? You're definitely not alone. I've spoken to hundreds of different people and they report having the same exact problem. And it's no surprise, because 99.9% of traffic generation methods are either too slow, time-consuming, or simply just flat-out expensive. If you could finally get your hands on targeted traffic that's interested in what you're selling, would you see yourself making money online? Of course! Without a doubt, that's your biggest obstacle right now. But then one day, my team made a game-changing discovery. They uncovered an untapped 122 million visitor source packed to the brim with hungry buyers. These people want to be sold to. It's like selling water to a thirsty jogger. So we tested it out and sure enough, it worked. Not only did I get traffic, but I also made money, and all it took was 6 hours. Talk about freaky fast results. We knew we were onto something huge. So, instead of doing it manually, my team completely automated this method. Introducing Slingshot. Slingshot is an app that lets you send any link, funnel, offer, or website of your choice directly to this massive pool of 122 million hungry, rabid buyers with just 2 clicks. Here's how easy it is. Click 1, enter the link you want traffic to be sent to. This can be anything you want, such as an affiliate link. And click 2, activate Slingshot. Sit back and let Slingshot leverage breakthrough artificial intelligence and automation to send you up to 122 million free buyers. That's it. No extra fees or flaming hoops to jump through. Just let Slingshot work its magic behind the scenes. This isn't rocket science. Slingshot is a guaranteed way to get free buyer traffic for your offer, product, or service. It's never failed me or my students, nor will it fail you. So how much will Slingshot cost you? Well, with the amount of traffic you could be generating with Slingshot, how much of a price tag would you put on that? Normally, it's not uncommon to pay $2 per click for one visitor of traffic on platforms like Facebook or Google. So, let's run some numbers. 100 clicks per day for 30 days equals $6,000. 200 clicks per day for 30 days equals $12,000. 500 clicks per day for 30 days equals $30,000. Crazy, right? With that being said, we could easily charge $297 per month for Slingshot. And that would still be a tiny fraction of the price that you'd normally pay for traffic. But you won't pay $297 a month, not $197 a month, not $97 per month, not $47 per month, not even monthly at all. All you'll pay is the price of a cheap t-shirt. Isn't that a small price to pay to radically change your life? To be able to finally provide for the ones you love? But we will be pulling down this discount soon. To ensure that this traffic source doesn't become too saturated, we will be closing our doors at any moment. That means if you come back later, you could forever lose the chance to get your hands on Slingshot. And that may have serious consequences on your business. Listen, if the low one-time investment wasn't enough to get you off the fence, I'm going to make this decision 100% risk-free. If you aren't able to get traffic from Slingshot, just let us know within the next 180 days from when you purchased, and we'll send you every penny back. There is no way for you to lose. The only way you miss out is by not getting started. So, take the plunge, get your hands on Slingshot by clicking the button below right now. I'll see you inside.
Hey there, friend. Do you feel like you're struggling with traffic and conversions lately? Do you wish it was easier to bring in visitors to your website, even if you're not an expert? Then let me introduce you to Slingshot, the only app that will put any link in front of 122 million buyers with just 2 clicks in a matter of seconds. How is it possible? Well, Slingshot does this by exploiting well-known traffic sources like YouTube for hot buyer traffic. Curious to see how it works? Then let me show it to you in action. To tap into any of these traffic sources, Slingshot provides you with a powerful search engine that scrapes only high-traffic videos from YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion. All you have to do is enter your target keyword, select your high-traffic video source, set the number of videos you want to get, and start your search. As you can see here, Slingshot will show you the highest ranking videos targeting your keyword. There's plenty you can do to generate traffic with these videos, but Slingshot helps you find new traffic generation opportunities and take advantage of some of these videos in 2 ways. First, you can identify videos with expired links to products and offers in their descriptions. You can purchase those expired link domains with your favorite domain registrar and forward the traffic the domain is getting to your own website. This way, you can redirect all traffic from that video to your own products and offers. The second way is by identifying videos with no links in their descriptions. You can get in touch with the creators of these videos and offer them to partner up so they add your links into their descriptions. This is another awesome way to drive quality traffic to any link. What's more, you can buy a one-click high-traffic WordPress website with the Slingshot theme, a nice attention-grabbing theme that's designed to keep your visitors engaged, and the Slingshot plugin, a plug-and-play plugin that'll let you publish high-traffic content to your site in seconds. Installing the Slingshot plugin gives you instant access to the video poster, which lets you create high-traffic posts using YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion. Using this powerful tool is very easy, and all you have to do is select your preferred video streaming platform, enter a keyword, select your search criteria, set the number of videos you want to show in the results, and fetch your videos. Let me show you how it works by creating a quick post with YouTube. First, I simply have to enter a keyword here. I can also add a channel ID here. This will help you in case you want to scrape videos from a popular channel in your niche. Then I have to select the number of videos I want to retrieve in the results. Alternatively, I can simply enter a series of video embed codes to directly fetch and use those videos. In this case, I will simply click here to fetch my videos, and there we go. I can now select which videos I want to turn into high-traffic, highly engaging posts for my website. And then I just click here, set or select a category, and then I click here to publish my posts. And as you can see, Slingshot created several high-traffic posts for my website in seconds and with just a few clicks. You can instantly share your new posts to your favorite social channels with one click, and you can edit them to optimize their titles, change their featured images, and to optimize their content. But that's not all, guys, because you can also increase your traffic and profit opportunities by adding a CTA overlay to your videos. This is simply a CTA that is placed over videos in your posts and that visitors have to click over before the video starts playing, sending massive traffic to any link instantly. Here, all you have to do is select the category of the videos you want to add an overlay on, to add your overlay CTA text, to add the URL you want to send traffic to here, to set an overlay color, and to save. An overlay will appear in all videos under your selected category, and everyone watching those videos will be redirected to your page. Guys, you are just 2 clicks and a few seconds away from free buyer traffic that runs on Autopilot. Are you ready to get started today? Then sign up now before the big guys do.
The only way you miss out is by not getting started. So, take the plunge, get your hands on Slingshot by clicking the button below right now. I'll see you inside.